Want to know how to change your profile picture on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to change your profile picture on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Edit Profile option right beside the Share Profile. Likewise, tap on the Change Photo option at the top. Now here you can see two options. Either you can take the photo or you can select from the gallery. I'm selecting the picture from my gallery. Now select a photo from a gallery. After selecting the picture, tap on the next option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Save option. So this is how you can change your profile picture on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.